Hi, so in this course, I'll be showing you how to start an automation agency in 2025. And this is just going to be the first episode or series, whatever you want to call it, of this course. So let's begin. So these are the things we're going to cover. So first of all, we have the introduction to automation agencies. Then we're going to cover the tools that you're going to use. Then we're going to cover ways to find clients for your agency, because obviously once you know how to use the tools, you obviously need to find clients after that. And then we're going to cover a way to build brand identity, because you obviously want to differentiate yourselves from your competitors. And in order to do that, you need to build a brand identity. After that, we're going to ensure continuous growth, and then we're going to conclude from there onwards. Let's begin. So the first thing is introduction to automation agencies. So what's an automation agency at its core? So it's basically an automation agency specializes in streamlining business processes through technology. So these agencies leverage software and tools to enhance efficiency, reduce human error, and optimize resource allocation, enabling businesses to focus on growth while minimizing operational challenges. So think of like a marketing agency as an agency that's there to help other businesses with marketing, whether it be Facebook ads, online marketing, social media marketing. But now an automation agency is it's the exact same, but aligned and designed for automation and the improvement of business operations and HR work, and this admin work, and basically streamlining their workflows. So let's look at the importance in today's market. So automation agencies streamline business processes, enhance efficiency, and reduce operational costs. In today's competitive landscape, they empower professionals across industries to focus on strategic initiatives, driving innovation and growth while adapting to rapid technological advances. So, as it says there, automation agencies are there to streamline business processes. They're not there to do any other than just streamline processes. So think of it as like outsourcing a company to, say, for example, clean the factory instead of having workers from the company itself cleaning the factory. So automation agency, or just any kind of agency, in fact, is just there to come in and help another business, just outsource it. So automation agencies streamline business processes by offering services such as workflow automation, data integration, and software development. These agencies enhance efficiency and productivity, allowing professionals to focus on core tasks while leveraging technology for optimal performance. So obviously some do have some aspect of software development, but in this course we'll be talking mainly on no-code software development, no-code automation and automation agencies, because that's the most popular one and that's the easiest one for people to get in, the one with the lowest barrier to entry. So why start an automation agency? So first of all, what are the benefits? So automation agencies offer businesses enhanced efficiency, cost savings, and scalability. By integrating automated processes, organizations can reduce human error and free up resources, allowing teams to focus on strategic initiatives and innovation, ultimately driving growth and improving competitiveness in the market. So these are some of the benefits, obviously from the business side, not from the agency itself, because like it says, benefits of automation for businesses. So businesses will benefit from reduced human error. They'll have more time for their teams to focus on what's actually the task, which is helping the customer, providing the best service for the customer, not doing admin, which can obviously take time and lead to lots of human error. So, what are the current trends in automation, like in 2025, as we are in right now? So it says the growing reliance on technology across industries is driving demand for automation agencies. With advancements in AI, machine learning, and process optimization, businesses seek expert solutions to enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and stay active, making this an opportune moment to enter the market. So think of how ChatGPT came in. So like when there was no ChatGPT, you would just go to Google. If you want to ask a question, just go to Google and then search different websites. But now think about how barely anyone does that these days. We just when we want to find a solution, we go to ChatGPT. When we want to know how to make a pancake, ChatGPT or any other AI basically. And it's such a trend now that Google now decided to implement AI into their search engine. So basically, anytime you search for something on Google, it has an AI overview. So that's an example of like the current trends in AI. And obviously, we're talking about automation, but AI is definitely a big part of automation. Um, After that, what does the future hold? What's the potential? So let's begin. Starting an automation agency presents immense growth potential driven by the increasing demand for efficiency across industries by offering tailored automation solutions. Professionals can tap into diverse revenue streams, positioning their agency for sustainable success and expansion in a competitive market. All you need to do really is just put yourself in a situation whereby you are people are aware of your service. So it's pointless being good at something, but no one knows that you're good at it. So you need to position yourself in a way that people are aware, people know about your service. And if you do that, then you're just going to succeed because you have the skill, number one. Number two, you have the audience. And it's not everyone that knows about automation and all this stuff. And you can make a lot of money with it. The next section is essential tools for automation. So number one, overview of popular tools. Explore leading automation tools like Zapier for workflow connectivity, Make.com, formerly Integromat, for advanced integrations, and UiPath for RPA. These solutions enhance efficiency, reduce manual tasks, and streamline processes, making them essential for professionals aiming to scale their operations effectively. So obviously those are the popular tools, and that's not even all of them. We have obviously Zapier, Make.com, formerly Integromat, and also we have a software called N10, which is more advanced. It has a steeper learning curve, and it's mostly used by our developers. You can even self-host it on your cloud service or server. Next up, importance of selecting the right tool. Selecting the right automation tool is crucial for maximizing efficiency and ensuring seamless integration within existing workflows. The right choice enhances productivity, reduces operational costs, and allows for scalable solutions, ultimately driving better results for your automation agency. So, like I said earlier, NA10 is mostly for developers and has a steeper learning curve. So, if you choose the wrong tool for your agency, you will find out that you don't enjoy it. Number one, number two, you don't know how to use it. So that's why it's important to make sure that you understand these tools and understand which one is suited specifically to your needs. So, if you're more like the non-technical people, you just want to quick automation, 5 minutes and you're done, then I would suggest tools like Zapier or Make.com because they are more beginner friendly. Whereas if you're looking for more advanced tools, then you can use NA10. I mean, I've personally I've used Make.com, Zapier, and NA10, and I must say NA10 is way more advanced. It has a steeper learning curve, and it is for the more technical people. Next, how automation tools integrate. Automation tools seamlessly integrate by utilizing APIs, webhooks, and connectors, allowing disparate systems to communicate effectively. This integration enhances operational efficiency, streamlines workflows, and facilitates data sharing, ultimately driving productivity across various professional domains. Embrace these tools to perform your agency's capabilities. So first of all, what's N8N? N8N is an open source automation platform that allows you to connect various applications and services without coding. While it does have some aspects where you can code, but obviously it's a drag and drop interface. Its user-friendly interface enables professionals to streamline workflows, enhance productivity, and automate repetitive tasks, making it an essential tool for modern automation agencies. So that's obviously the overview of what N8N is, and now we need to look at the target audience. N8N is ideal for professionals across industries seeking to streamline their workflows. Its versatility appeals to marketers, project managers, and data analysts looking for seamless automation solutions that enhance productivity and efficiency, making it a valuable tool for any automation agency. So now we've covered what N8N is and the target audience. So you should probably be getting your mind ready. Okay, so this is what N8N is. Maybe it's for me, maybe it's not for me. So make sure to also take down notes on these slides so that you can, after this video, know exactly the next step you're going to take. Because it's pointless just watching a video and not actually making sense of it and applying it into your daily life. Next, we have how to access and use N8N. N8N provides an intuitive interface for workflow automation, enabling professionals to connect various apps seamlessly. Access N8N through its website, obviously, and utilize the comprehensive documentation for step-by-step guides on creating automated processes that enhance efficiency and productivity in your agency. So I will add N8N, in terms of pricing, is the most expensive amongst the three that I mentioned: N8N, Zapier, and Make.com. So I think it's about $1,000. I'm not sure if it's monthly or weekly, but you do get a 14-day free trial. So that's pretty good. You can test it out and see if it's for you, if it's not for you, if you don't know, because you should know by now. And Make.com is the cheapest one. That's why I suggest it to most people, because it's beginner friendly and it's also cheap. Then we have Make.com. So what is Make.com? Make.com is a powerful automation platform that allows professionals to streamline workflows, integrate apps, and simplify complex processes. With its user-friendly interface, users can easily create automated scenarios, enhancing productivity and efficiency across various fields. So, who should use Make.com? Make is ideal for professionals across diverse industries looking to streamline workflows, enhance efficiency, and automate repetitive tasks. Its user-friendly interface empowers users to build custom automation without extensive coding knowledge. Like I said, it's mostly for beginners. It's beginner-friendly. You don't really need to have any kind of coding knowledge at all. Just jump into it and start using it, making it accessible for both tech-savvy and non-technical professionals. So how can you access it? Accessing Make.com enables professionals to streamline processes and enhance productivity. Its user-friendly interface facilitates easy integration with numerous apps, automating repetitive tasks efficiently. By leveraging Make.com, you can transform your workflows and drive significant results for your automation agency. So that's Make.com for you. It's pretty easy to use. You just need to understand the basics, and like it integrates with hundreds of apps, from Twitter to Instagram to LinkedIn to Airtable, Google Sheets, you name them, it integrates with all of them. So obviously you're not gonna go and learn how to work with each and every one of them. You just need to understand the basics and just have an idea and a feel for how it works. Just build projects, and for example, maybe you've never used LinkedIn module in Make.com, and you just want to use it. You don't need to go learn it. You just need to just add it into your automation and work around with it, because really these automations aren't difficult. You just need to understand the basics of how these various softwares work, whether it be Make.com, Zapier, or N8N. Now we have Zapier. So what is Zapier? Zapier is a powerful automation tool that connects various applications, enabling seamless workflows by automating repetitive tasks. It enhances productivity and efficiency, making it an essential tool for professionals looking to streamline operations and improve collaboration across different platforms. Zapier is ideal for professionals seeking to streamline workflows without deep technical knowledge. It empowers marketers, project managers, and small business owners to automate repetitive tasks, enhance productivity, and integrate various applications effortlessly, ultimately driving efficiency and business growth. So it's Zapier is kind of like it's more closer to Make.com in terms of beginner friendliness than N8N, but it's probably in between Make.com and N8N. So ultimately, you know who you are, so you know what your needs are. So, but if you don't know, then I just suggest you just test them out. They have free trials. You can that well, anything has a free trial. Zapier doesn't have a free trial. It just has a free level. Same with Make.com. And if you want like more how do I put it now? More yeah, just try it out yourself and you find out it's Make.com and Zapier is more pocket friendly. It's cheaper than N8N. Zapier simplifies automation by connecting diverse apps, allowing you to automate repetitive tasks without coding. Start by creating zaps that trigger actions based on specific events, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Embrace Zapier to streamline workflows and focus on higher value activities. So next section is finding clients for your automation agency. So first of all, before we start finding our clients, we need to understand who is our ideal client. So ideal clients for your automation agency are typically mid-sized businesses slash small businesses seeking efficiency, have a digital presence, and prioritize innovation. They value data-driven solutions and are open to collaboration, making them receptive to automation that enhances productivity and reduces costs. Also stick around because soon I'll be uploading a video on cold calling to teach you how to cold call because obviously not everyone responds to emails, so it wouldn't be a bad idea to watch that video later when it comes out. But like it says, medium-sized businesses are obviously ideal, and small businesses as well, like businesses with like one or two employees. You're not gonna go for enterprise level companies or whatever because they most likely already have those systems, and they don't really need an agency to do these things with them. And you're not gonna make great amounts of money. Talk less of even. Um, First of all, you're not gonna get them to agree to you. Yeah, yeah. Just leave it. Just don't go that route. So, what are the industries that benefit from automation? Industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, finance, and e-commerce significantly benefit from automation by streamlining processes, reducing costs, and enhancing efficiency. These sectors present fertile ground for your automation agency to thrive and attract diverse clientele. So couple other industries that are really good are logistics, real estate, and accounting services, bookkeeping. My agency specifically, I normally target logistic companies and real estate because like there's a lot that you can automate. Like real estate agencies deal with a lot of manual paperwork. Same with logistics, and it can really be like time consuming on the admin side, which is like a very big gap that someone can take up. And if you're able to target the right people, the right customers in those specific industries, then you can make a lot of money. Conducting market research. So, in order to find clients for your agency, conduct thorough market research by analyzing industry trends, identifying gaps in service, and understanding potential client needs. Utilize surveys, interviews, and competitor analysis to tailor your offerings and effectively reach your target market. So for this, in order to conduct market research, obviously check what your competitors are doing. You can do that by, going to LinkedIn because there are many people offering automation services on LinkedIn, and just see what they're doing. Ask them questions, or you can just go to YouTube. You can search Google automation services, and a lot will come up, and it can give you an idea on what your competitors are doing and how you can improve on that. And apart from your competitors, obviously you need to know your clients. You need to know what they need. You can just, create a survey, ask your friends to share it to business owners that they might know or family members, and you can get info on how you can automate in different industries. So these are the strategies to attract clients. Online marketing techniques. So leveraging online marketing techniques such as search engine optimization, social media advertising, and content marketing to enhance visibility. Engage potential clients by showcasing case studies and testimonials while utilizing targeted ads to reach specific audiences and generate qualified leads effectively. Online marketing is, of course, good with all the SEO and stuff, but my personal favorite is just getting on a call with people, because people buy from people. So you want to make sure that you talk to these people and market your ideas, even if they say no. At least they know that you exist, and that's the best way to really attract clients, because not everyone's going to respond to your social media posts, your Instagram posts, or all these things. So just make sure that you at least put it in their face, like, hey, I exist. Networking and partnerships. Leverage networking and partnerships to expand your client base. Attend industry events, join relevant associations, and collaborate with complementary businesses. Building relationships can lead to referrals and new opportunities, enhancing your credibility and visibility in the automation sector. So obviously, if you know any networking events, whether it be for it doesn't necessarily have to be for automation or any kind of agency. It can just be for, let's say, your agency is specifically targeting real estate um, um, businesses. You can go to real estate events. You can just go there, meet real estate owners, meet their COOs, talk to them about how you can automate their processes. And with that, you can really get a lot of friends. You can make friends with those people. You can contact them after the event. You can get their business cards, and you can really build partnerships that last for like a long time and that can make you lots of money. Leverage social media platforms to showcase your automation expertise, share case studies, engage with industry discussions, and create informative content that attracts potential clients. Building a professional online presence establishes credibility and fosters connections with businesses seeking automation solutions. So, yeah, I do agree with this. Social media does help with showcasing what you've done. You can just create a random make.com automation, take a picture of it, post it on Instagram, tell users what it does and how to make it for their side, or just share a nice case study of a specific client that you had. And it can really help to inspire people. And even if you don't see the immediate gains, just know that you are positioning yourself to be a leader in the automation space, or whatever space that whatever space your clients are in, because these results don't come immediately. So you have to take your time, be consistent, and eventually you're gonna get the result that you're looking for. So the next part is building a brand identity. Let's begin. Importance of branding. Creating a memorable brand name. A memorable brand name is crucial for establishing recognition and trust. It should reflect your agency's values and services, resonate with your target audience, and be easy to pronounce and remember. Invest time in brainstorming and testing names to ensure a lasting impact. So, how can you build a wonderful brand, whether it be through your name or your logo? A professional logo is crucial for establishing brand identity. It visually encapsulates your agency's values, differentiates you from your competitors, and fosters trust with clients. Investing in thoughtful design ensures your logo resonates with your target audience and enhances recognition across channels. So make sure that your logo is relevant because notice how all the fast food companies have some kind of red or orange, like McDonald's, KFC, Burger King, while the tech companies mostly use blue or black and white. So you must make sure that your logo is relevant to your business. Next, we have establishing online presence. Establishing an online presence is crucial for a successful automation agency. It enhances visibility, builds credibility, and fosters client trust. Utilize social media, a professional website, and consistent branding to engage your audience and communicate your unique value proposition effectively. Marketing your automation agency. So, how can you market your automation agency? Apologies for this. This was a mistake. I forgot to adjust this. Effective content marketing. So make sure to utilize storytelling, educational content to engage your audience. Leverage social media, blogs, and email marketing to showcase expertise, build trust, and drive organic traffic to your automation agency. So number two is leveraging client testimonials and case studies. Utilize testimonials and case studies to build your brand identity. An example of that is having a website, and wherever you want, whether in the beginning or the end, you can have a section whereby you show testimonials. It helps to build trust and make potential clients know that you are actually useful and you are actually good, and it would be a good move on their part to go for you and not another person. Highlighting real experiences fosters trust, enhances credibility, and attracts new clients by demonstrating your agency's effectiveness in delivering results. Importance of a professional website. Professional website is crucial for establishing credibility and trust in your automation agency. It serves as your digital storefront, showcasing your services, expertise, and client testimonial, thereby attracting potential clients and differentiating you from your competitors. So, how can you ensure continuous growth? Firstly, identifying opportunities for growth. To ensure continuous growth, consistently analyze market trends, gather client feedback, and explore emerging technologies. Identify niches where automation can provide competitive advantages and develop partnerships that enhance service offerings, thereby unlocking new revenue streams and expanding your client base. Like I said earlier, identify niches where automation can provide competitive advantages. So for that area, earlier we spoke about how you must find the perfect industry, whether it be real estate, logistics, healthcare, whatever it is. Just make sure that the niche that you're going in is perfect for the automation service that you offer. And obviously, partnerships that has to do with networking, like we spoke earlier on about developing partnerships with people in your client's industry. Number two, expanding service offerings. To ensure continuous growth, consider expanding your service offerings by integrating complementary automation solutions, enhancing client value, and tapping into new market segments. This diversification not only attracts a broader clientele, but also strengthens your agency's competitive edge in a rapidly evolving landscape. So let's say, for example, your agency offers kind of like a retainer model whereby clients pay monthly for this automation service, and you make sure that you maintain them, that everything is running smoothly, and they pay you monthly. You're having a good time. But let's say you want to make more money. You can instead say, I will charge you 5 times what I'm charging you monthly, just as a once-off payment, and I will train your entire workforce relevant for operations, like say the operations department, or if it's like a 1 or 2 person business, you can train the one person, and you can charge huge sums of money, obviously because it's a once-off payment, so you want to make lots of money, and you can explain it to them. You can justify your pricing by saying, look, me charging you this once-off, it might seem expensive, but the amount of money that you're going to save from paying monthly is going to be huge, and you're going to figure out that in the future it'll be useful to rather just pay once off a lot of money, of course, for this training than just paying monthly for my services. um, Number three is building a strong team. Cultivating a strong team is essential for scaling your automation agency. Hire diverse skill sets, encourage continuous learning, and foster collaboration to enhance innovation. Empower your team with clear roles and responsibilities. Ensure alignment with the agency's values for sustainable growth. Yeah, obviously, the people that you work with are going to be very important to the success of your agency, because if you work with the wrong sets of people, then you're going to find out that you might have one goal, but they don't have that same goal in mind. So you must work with like minded people and make sure that they are satisfied, that they also understand the goal, because maybe they might like your goal, but maybe they just don't know your goal. So you must make sure that you communicate effectively and your team shares the same goals as you do. Ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to the end of this video, this episode, this series, whatever you want to call it. So if you liked this video, make sure to like it, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'm looking forward to the second video. And make sure to implement all the steps that I've mentioned in this video, and not just watch and let it go, because these insights are valuable and they won't be available for long. And also think about how the space moves very quickly. Tech is a very, very fast moving industry, so you want to make sure that you get in now. You just want to get running now. Just get your agency up and running now, or else there are going to be lots and lots of competition in the future. Goodbye. Have a good day.